waiting for paint to dry. Not really. I just thought I'd show you for a contrast from the last video of the Northern. This is a, you know, right? It's a Hudson, right? I bought this Hudson in 1975. And it's New York Central. And it's a numbered 5405, which is not a real number. We kind of know that. But way back in the 70s, there was a catalog from Greenburg that had a New York Central Hudson on the cover, and its engine number was 5405. And I bought this engine from the store in Maryland that Greenburg had opened to sell trains and catalogs and books. And I bought this engine from him there, and I'm betting you it was on the cover of that catalog. In any case, I've had it. It was in very bad shape. I rebuilt it multiple times and finally bit the bullet several years ago. I don't know how many years ago. I put a Mike's Trainhouse PS2 controller in it. And that was my first Mike's Trainhouse conversion, and I have to say it seems to have stood the test of time. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. It's only got 61 miles on it, so I haven't really driven it that much. Let's get it fired up again. I didn't mean to hit train wreck, but I did. I killed it. But I thought I'd make a 3-mile-an-hour run like we did with the Northern as a comparison. It will produce perfect circles. Pretty fun. No firebox, so you can see the spinning flywheel in the back. Very exciting, huh? Doesn't seem to be having any trouble. I had a little trouble with the track down here earlier. I think I just overspun it. It's going too fast. 2 miles an hour.
Now arriving from New York on track 1, train number 43, the South Shore Express.
Okay, that's the show for today. That's my 1949 Hudson. Bought in 75 from Greenburg. Likely was on the cover of a Greenburg catalog. You look for that engine number, 5405, on a catalog, I think you'll see it. Or it may have been, if not a catalog, it may have been Greenburg's book on identification, blah, 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 I don't know. Anyway, I've had it for many, many years. It's had conventional, it's had TMCC, it's had Railsounds 4, and right now it's a Mike's Trainhouse PS2. 49 Hudson. It's my favorite engine, actually. My go-to engine. And it just pulled the same 20 cars that the Northern did without a hiccup. So we're in good company, I think, in both engines. All right, I'm going to post this up, and you guys can chew on that for a little bit, and maybe later I'll show you something else. See if it pulls all these cars. Later, gang.